Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBot143. You are watching Instagram tutorials. This video I will show you how to save Instagram photos we have created to our phone. Suppose you want to save the photos to your phone's photo library that you have created, filtered and edited on Instagram app, either for safekeeping or to use it somewhere else. Follow the steps showing in this tutorial. Log into the Instagram in our Android mobile. To save our photos to our phone, tap on profile picture on bottom right corner of the mobile screen. In our profile window, click on three horizontal lines in the top right. From the pop-up menu, choose settings, and in settings window, tap on account, and in the pop-up account page, choose original pose on right. If you are using iPhone, choose original photos, and we will be directed to the page where we can enable or disable save original pose, save posted photos and save posted videos. By default, all the options are turned on so that every post on Instagram will also be saved to our phone's library. Similarly, to save the photos or videos even after applying filters from our story, before it is shared, tap on down arrow icon at the top of the screen, video saved. Not only this, we can also save the photos or video that we have already shared. Open the story and click on three dots in the bottom right corner of the photo or video. From the options, please select to save photo, and we got saved to camera roll. Now let's check in the phone's library. I got the video. Similarly, let's check for image. Like this, we can save Instagram photos we have created to our phone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITBot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.